Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine.
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson for today, Rehan, can you lead pray?
Let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Dimas.
Beri.
I was sent an attendance list and the module on your classroom. Please check it. Thank you for you all. I'm very proud of you to always have a spirit for study at home today, and I hope you always keep your spirit to study at home, right? And then before we start our lesson, on your monitor, ya, silahkan dilihat di monitornya. I have some question. Who can answer the questions? It's Dina. Do you have plan for a vacation?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
Okay. Where are you going on vacation, Dina?
I'm go to Sumbar.
Today, we are going to learn about descriptive text. We have learned before, ya. It's focused on writing skill. Kita hari ini akan belajar masih sama temanya dengan yang kemarin about descriptive text, but focus on writing skill. Tapi fokusnya pada kemampuan writing. Jadi kita akan menulis writing gitu ya, menulis descriptive text. And then our learning objective for today is you can, after study, you can create descriptive text. And then before we going to our lesson for today, who still remain about what did we learn for last meeting? What did we learn for last meeting, Dimas?
We learn about descriptive text, ma'am. Descriptive text, ma'am.
Okay, good. Last meeting we have learned about the descriptive text. Who still remain about the definition of descriptive text? Dimas, you can answer. What is the definition of
A text with size.
Say
A
something.
text with size what a person or a thing is like.
Okay, very good. Descriptive text is about text which say what a person or thing is like. And then who answer what is the generic structure of the text? Descriptive text. Eka, can you answer it? Ada dua ya.
Identification,
Identification and description. Very good.
description.
The generic structure of the descriptive text is identification and description. And then how about language feature of the text, Eka? For today, we are try to make a descriptive text ya. Kalau kemarin kita belajar tentang apa pengertiannya, bagaimana struktur teksnya, dan apa fungsi dari descriptive text. Sekarang kita mencoba bagaimana membuat descriptive text. Tapi sebelum itu, I have a picture in here. You can answer the question. Do you know that place? It's about tourism place ya, ini tempat-tempat wisata, pasti sangat familiar. Do you know this place? Dimas? Do you know this place? Tahu tempat ini apa, Dimas?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, I do, ma'am.
What is the picture?
It is Jam Gadang, ma'am.
Jam Gadang. Do you know? If you want to make a descriptive text ya, kalau kalian akan membuat descriptive text, this is the step for create a descriptive text. Ini adalah langkah-langkah yang kamu perlu perhatikan kalau kamu mau membuat descriptive text. Yang pertama is first is find the topic, ya. Find a topic, temukan topiknya. Di sini apa topiknya? Is a place to be described. Jadi yang pertama itu temukan topiknya. Ya, apa topik yang akan kita bicarakan? Yaitu apa yang akan kita deskripsikan. Temukan itu yang pertama. Ya, find it first. And then step 2, do simple research. After that, ya, do research for the history, feature, or function of the place. Ya, kalian you can search on internet about the historical of that place, and then about the feature of that place, or you can ask for people around the, and then for the third step ketiga, make a draft. Kamu buat draftnya dulu sebelum membuat teks deskriptif. Kamu buat draftnya dulu. Apa sih yang mau saya ceritakan? What are we going to describe? Oh ya, and then use mind mapping. I want to introduce you to mind mapping after this explanation, ya. Ya, di dalam teks deskriptif itu ada dua unsur. Yang pertama identification dan description. Kalau kamu lihat, the first paragraph is identification, kalimat pengenalannya, and the second paragraph and next paragraph it's about description. Jadi ini contoh dari teks deskriptif jam gadang tadi, gitu ya. Di dalam teks deskriptif itu ada dua struktur teksnya, yaitu identification dan description. Nah, yang pertama, paragraf pertama itu identification. Nah, contohnya seperti itu identification itu. Identification kan mengenalkan. Nah, mengenalkan jam gadang itu seperti apa. Kemudian diikuti dengan paragraf deskripsi. Deskripsinya, nah, seperti itu, jam gadang dibangun. Nah, coba read the text and understand what is the content of the text first. I give you a few minutes for read the text. Okay, have done. This is how to make a draft from descriptive text, ya. Katakan tentang apa? At the first paragraph is tell about what. Seperti ini. For the example, ya, sebagai contoh, at the first paragraph 1, jam gadang is clock tower is landmark of Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra, province in Indonesia. Kira-kira itu berbicara tentang apa? What is the first sentences in the first paragraph tell about? Bercerita tentang apa? Landmark.
Jam gadang itu ada di
mana?
Sumatera.
Ada di Sumatera. Berarti apa itu kira-kira? What is it mean?
Di jam gadang.
Location.
Lokasi jam gadang.
Okay, very good ya Kak ya. The first thing is about the location. Jadi tadi di sini. Nah, for in here. Nah, di sini kamu bisa nulis location. Kemudian apalagi yang diceritakan di situ, tulis di bagian-bagian ini. Bisa? Nah, ini bagaimana cara kita membuat draft. Ya, location, kemudian apa saja yang dijelaskan di situ, gitu ya. Oke, I will make you in groups, ya. Ibu akan buatkan groups. One groups at least for 3 people, ya, 3. I give you 5 minutes to done this mind map, and then if you done your works, please send at WA group. I will have you to present your works in here, and then you can present it your works. All right, 5 minutes. Okay, can you? Any question? Have you any question?
No, Mom.
Okay, no. Have you got it?
No, Mom.
Sudah paham?
Mom.
Okay, I wait for 5 minutes. Please do on your group about this mind mapping to complete the mind mapping here. All right, this one is from group 1. Who is group 1 here? Please present your work, Wanda.
Jam Gadang, location West Sumatra, Bukit Tinggi. Feature height 26 cm, diameter 80 cm, cost 3,000 guldens.
Very good from group 1. Yeah, you can make a mind mapping from the descriptive text like this one, ya, seperti di grup 1 ini, jam gadang. And then how about the location? How about the build, feature, and name it, ya. Location West Sumatra, Bukit Tinggi, and etc. The feature itu apa ciri-cirinya atau bentuknya seperti apa, height-nya, diameternya, cost itu biaya yang dikeluarkan untuk pembangunan itu. Very good approach from group 1. And then from your presentation we can conclude to make a descriptive text about jam gadang. Maybe you can describe about the location, yeah, where is the location, and then why the jam gadang names, yeah, name jam gadang, the historical of its name, or maybe you can describe about how much costs from the jam gadang its will. Very good from it's very good from group 1. And then from here, have you any question for from our lesson for today?
Oh, ma'am.
Is it clear for you all?
No, ma'am.
For our learning for today, who can conclude about what have we learned for today?
We have learned about how to read descriptive text about tourism place or historical building. Use mind mapping.
Okay, very good. Today we are have learned about how to write descriptive text. Yeah, it's about descriptive text about tourism or tourism place or historical place, and how to make a draft from a descriptive text by using mind mapping. Okay, very good. And then for your exercise, I send the LKPD on your classroom. The instruction is like this. First is choose one of the historical place or tourism destination on your area that you are going to be described. Yeah, and then make a draft by use mind mapping about that place. And the third is use your draft to write a descriptive text about text descriptive. All right, is it clear? Sudah jelas?
Yes, ma'am. Sudah, ma'am.
You can write your idea here. Sudah Ibu kirimkan juga di LKPD. Kamu bisa buat seperti itu. Don't forget, in descriptive text we have two generic structure, identification and description, struktur teksnya. And then don't forget to the language feature. And then from your marks, I dari teks kamu. First is idea, and then the second is structure of the text, and then the language feature. Yeah, please pay attention for all the aspect. Yeah, please capture your words and then send to the classroom. If you have a difficulty or do you have any question, then you can find me on WhatsApp. All right, is it clear? Have you any question about your assignments, guys? Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
I think it's enough for our learning for today. Yeah. Let's think we have to focus on speaking skills. If there is no question, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for joining our class, and see you next meeting. Okay, bye-bye. I am Puri. If I have a mistake, I say apologize. Then, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.